Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impression of the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. So I actually just filmed the my review of the Kayali Vanilla, so definitely go check it out. I will have it in the description box down below, or you can click up here in the cards and check out my thoughts on this fragrance. Let me know if you'd like me to do a fragrance battle between the two. Look how cute they are together, adorable. But yeah, let me know if you'd like me to do a fragrance battle between vanilla and Eden Juicy Apple. But today's focus is going to be on Eden Juicy Apple, and I've never actually smelled this fragrance. I bought it online along with Kayali Vanilla, and they both were just a blind purchase just because they were doing Cult Beauty, were doing 20% off Huda Beauty, so I figured why not, because I really wanted to try the fragrances, but I hadn't smelled it before, either of them. So I wanted to get the smaller bottle of Kayali Vanilla, but they only had the 100ml or the 3.4 fluid ounces. But luckily they did have the miniature versions of Eden Juicy Apple, which I'm so happy about, because I did not want to purchase 200ml bottles of fragrances that I'd never smelled before. So I actually have not sprayed this on myself. I literally just opened it out of the box. Here I have the 10ml, which retails for, I believe, $30 US. And here in the UK it retails for £22, which is quite expensive because obviously it is a tiny bottle. This is obviously my hand and you can see the size, so it is pretty small. But I feel like if you want to try a new fragrance and you're not too sure and you don't want to commit to a bigger bottle, definitely try these mini ones. It also comes in two other sizes, the 50ml, which is the 1.7 fluid ounces, or the 100ml, which is the 3.4 fluid ounces, which is the vanilla one that I have here. So you can see the size difference between the two. Let me head over to the Huda Beauty website and see what it is described as. So this is considered a fruity, floral and sweet scent. According to the website, it's a playful, vibrant, succulent scent that is tempting, mouth-watering fusion of crisp and juicy red apples. It has sweet berries and fresh floral notes that will keep you wanting more and more. So I've got a feeling this is going to be a really juicy, sweet type of fragrance, almost similar to Victor & Rolf Bon Bon. I actually have done a video on that, so definitely check that out. The notes are, top notes are juicy red apple, blackcurrant, pink grape and lychee. Oh my god, that sounds like music to my ears. I know a lot of people hate fruity, but I really do like it. The middle notes are wild berries, raspberry blossom, jasmine and rose cantifolia. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And the base, it says dry, I'm assuming that's base notes, is vanilla flower, amber crystals, sugared moss and sensual musk. So let's spray this for the first time. Okay, I've got fragrance here. I don't. Let me move my watch. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. And you could definitely smell the apples, the lychee. I think there was grapefruit in there. Oh my gosh, that initial spray is delicious. I could actually eat this fragrance. It smells so good. But it is a true fruity fragrance. If you hate fruity, you're gonna absolutely hate this, because the apples, I can smell the lychee, the grapefruit. What other notes were in here? Can I smell the? Oh yes, and I can smell the blackcurrant too as it's drying down. Oh my gosh, I actually love this. Oh, I don't know if I prefer this over vanilla, because this is just like super fruity, juicy, sweet, the perfect like spring, summer kind of scent. This is actually relatively new. I believe it came out last year, so 2021. So this is actually a new fragrance to the Kayali collection. And I feel like now I'm starting to get the wild berries and the raspberry coming through. And I can definitely smell the blackcurrant. Okay, so this to me is a classic fruity scent. Like, if I do a video on top 5 fruity scents, this will be in it, because it is very fruity. It is very sweet, almost sickly sweet. It honestly reminds me of Victor & Rolf Bon Bon. It does not smell like that, but you know how Victor & Rolf Bon Bon is sweet and fruity and just all of those just everything under the sun is fruity about it. I feel like this is also that. It fits into that category. They do not smell the same, but yes, oh yeah, I like that. I feel like this sounds really bad, but now that it's drying down, I feel like it kind of has like an air freshener kind of smell. Maybe I've had an air freshener like this in the past, but yeah, it has like this air freshener. Is it air freshener kind of like smell to it? That could be the jasmine or the rose. I'm not entirely sure, but overall, I actually really like it. Oh, this was literally the first time I'm spraying it on my body. I hadn't smelled it since I'd purchased it. I think it smells really good. I definitely want to do a more in-depth review on this once I've tried it, because I don't know what the staying power is. In my Kayali vanilla review, I did mention that the staying power is not the best, and I'm hoping this does a little bit better. It smells stronger, so I'm hoping it lasts a little longer on the skin. But overall, I really like this. Like, I'm a sucker for fruity fragrances. Like, oh yeah, it does have like, I can't describe it, but I feel like I'm starting to smell like an air freshener kind of scent, which is a bit like, not 100% loving that. But the initial spray I absolutely love. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna try this out a bit more and hopefully be able to do a more like in-depth review and maybe do a fragrance battle with the vanilla version. But overall, I like it. I would give it a 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5. No, I'll give it a 6. I'll give it a 6 because I feel like something's like jumping out at me. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't smell great. It's just giving me like air freshener, cleaning around the house kind of energy. But for the most part, I think it is a really pretty scent. If you haven't already, definitely go and pick up the smaller bottle and see if you like it. If you have tried this fragrance, what is the staying power on this? I'm hoping it's much better than vanilla, but we will see. Let me know if you'd like me to do a fragrance battle, because I will definitely be up for that. I might even do a fragrance battle with Victor & Rolf or Bon Bon, because I feel like those two could go head to head. But yeah, this video is pretty short, but this is literally a first impression. It's the first time I've sprayed it ever, so I can't really talk about longevity and, you know, how long it lasts on the skin. But from my initial spray, I really do. Sorry, I keep smelling my wrist. I really do like it, because I love a fruity fragrance. I'm sorry, I know people hate it, but it just something about fruitiness just makes me so happy. But it definitely smells like a great spring summer type of fragrance, so I'm excited to try that out a bit more. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to check out my fragrance playlist, because it has all my videos created in one section. So there's reviews, there's fragrance battles, there's perfume collections from previous years, there's first impressions. I'm not sure if I said that before, but I have a ton of fragrance related videos all in that playlist, so definitely go check that out. I will have it in the description box down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let me know if you'd like me to do a further more in-depth video of the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple fragrance. That is a mouthful. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.